Tonight, the Supreme Court has decided it will not enforce West Virginia's ban on transgender athletes.
And that means children can play on teams that match their gender identity, at least for now. Rafael Sanchez-Cruz is here to walk us through this really major update.
Yeah, that's right. It's the first time the Supreme Court has ruled on the issue of transgender athletes and sports teams at a time that the issue is gaining momentum nationwide.
The issue before the High Court, whether Becky Pepper Jackson, a 12-year-old transgender girl from West Virginia, can compete on her middle school's girls cross-country and track teams.
Today's decision is really about Becky, and it protects her ability to continue to participate as she has been for the last almost 3 years that this case has been being litigated.
The court denying Attorney General Patrick Morrisey's emergency request to let the state enforce the 2021 law that bans transgender women and girls from participating on public school sports teams that correspond to their gender identity. Earlier this year, a lower federal court ordered the state to temporarily halt that ban.
Some people may dismiss this and say, oh, this is a small win. Oh, it's just for one girl, but for that one girl, it matters immensely.
The 12-year-old's legal team calling it a victory amid a wave of legislation targeting the LGBTQ plus community nationwide.
This has been one of the worst weeks of 2023 so far in terms of anti-LGBTQ bills becoming law in states across America.
The Biden administration is also proposing a rule to change the broad ban trans athletes that would actually violate Title IX, the federal law that prohibits sex discrimination at educational institutions that receive federal funding. However, that rule change would allow schools or school districts to impose bans on competitive high school or college sports. Lorenzo.
All right, Rafa, thank you.